Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make chart paper file. The material required to make chart paper file is chart paper. You should take any color. My online classes have started and my teacher gives me project to make a chart paper file. And you have to take also thread, 2 pieces of thread you should take, and scissor and pens to mark. You should also take marker and glue. So first I will fold the chart paper and press it nicely. And take a glue. Guys, I have put in this glue on it and you should spread it nicely. And take the chart paper and press it nicely this place. When chart paper comes, and you should press it nicely. Now chart paper I have put in glue inside the chart paper. And now you should take one hand and do like this. Again you have to fold. And you should take a thread and a pen. Then you should take a pencil box, a pen, and you should take a scissor and you should mark. You have to take a file paper also, and you should take literally this side and mark. You should mark. And then take scissors and put it on like this. Now I have hole in this chart paper. I have do hole, and you should take thread and put into the thread into the chart paper, and you should take nicely and pull nicely. And first thing, I take a file paper that you have written, that your teacher has given you the homework, and you should see that you have make hole, that place is same or not. And now you have to into the thread and thread it nicely. And now I have tied this thread, and you have to cut it also. Then you should have to cut. Now you can see the result. Now you can see the result. This paper has tied nicely. Guys, please subscribe, like and comment this video how I have made. ये मेरी YouTube की पहली वीडियो, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.